Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Alright, a quick one, the rain is falling. I said let me do this video inside my car. A lot of people be complaining about redness on the face, via the product they use, or just they don't even know what causes the redness to them. Old people, babies, and average people, The thing is that a lot of things can cause redness. Yes, redness. A lot of things can cause redness. Take this from me. Basically, it could be because of you walking under sun or stress, or it can even caused by, we have a lot of redness disease. It can even caused by normal, regular, what is it called? There's a name for it. About 10 names I can name right now. Number one, or let's just call one only, like seborrheic, dermatitis. Yes, that is one also that it often happens to babies, at the cheeks and all that. All right, you can see the video there. Basically what I want to say is this: it's not because that you stress too much, or because it's just a normal regular thing. All right, so it's common it's not a sickness. Don't say, oh, it's a sickness. What kind of sickness is this? It's just a regular thing that can happen to anybody. All right, it's a common thing that always happens. So when you have a thing like that, how do you remove it from the face of wherever it is in the body? I told us about this redness remover, and some persons they just commonize it. No, don't. So don't even get one of it like, oh, you just get one that just want to. When you get it off the face, when you get it all off the face, the product that you're using, those things that you do regularly that causes this redness, will you stop them? Because that is it. Because now you've gotten it that you expect it to take it off. It's just gonna take it off. Fine. This redness remover, this vitamin E redness remover, it will take off the redness. But those things that causes the redness, did you stop them? Because that is not an issue anyway. But a lady, you can see the video in there. These are testimony, right? That to say our product works. What actually happened to this lady is exactly what we call seborrheic dermatitis. All right. She treated it, and using this product, this redness remover, you can see the difference, right? And she just used one of it, and it happens that it clears it. But she shouted me up that, okay, can she go back to what she's using before? I don't understand people. Like, I'm telling you what will work for you and what will stay permanent working for you. You said you need a face cream, you need, I don't know, so I don't want to pick up a quarrel or a fight with anybody. I just have to say the truth, like the way you're telling me what is in your heart. All right, but you can see the difference. It clears any kind of redness. Are you getting it? Some redness basically caused by stress. We agree to that. Why some caused by some, it could be sunburn, acne, or rashes, what it causes for little babies, adults, no matter the type of person you are. Redness, this vitamin E redness remover, it removes everything. You can see the picture is there. We don't formulate testimonies. We don't. It's what we get, we give. All right, so you can see that is the before, and you can see the after. So what I'm telling you is this: if you want to stop, if you want your redness to get off your face, you should first of all, you should stop all those harsh product you use. There are some harsh product we do use, we all know, because we want to get white. So when we use all this product, and first it will be good. Yes, that is it. It takes what it takes, just come good on you. Before you know it, bam, you started having side effects. I get it. This seborrheic dermatitis. We have other names that you do not even know. This is an example of it that you're seeing there. Exactly what happened to her. Like, you can see all of her cheek is very red. And but when she used this in 3 days, all of it went off. Are you getting it? Listen to what I said. Not pimples, so it's not pimples remover. It's not pimples remover. You can see it's not dark spot remover. This is redness remover, vitamin E redness remover. Only what it will do, it will remove the redness itself totally. Then you have to beware of those things you be using, like those harsh things you be using. You stop them. All those harsh things, you have to stop them. When you stop them, you'll be free from redness. Then if it is just something that comes naturally, or your village people following you or whatever, then you have to be always with this. Whenever it comes, you just use this and clear it up, because it works. It work perfectly. All right. So above that, if you stop those things and work for you, what I would tell you, then keep to a mild face cream that you can use to maintain your face. All right, just mild face cream that you can use to maintain your face. So I've told you the secret, and this is it. It works a lot. All right, we have different type of it. But give a try. That's what I'm telling you. Now we've come to the end of the class. For those of us who want to buy skincare recipe, we want to buy organic, we want to buy cosmetic original ones. When I mean original ones, and they work for you, you can always count on us, because we have them in bulk. Are you getting in? And you want to buy our product as well? So our website is up. Okay, our website is www.austinglobalcosmeticskincare.com. Okay, so in a quick one, I just want you to understand that if you want training, also a perfect training, say please stop comprising like as if we're doing this crayfish stuff. Like please do a group training, 2,000, 1,000, 10,000. We're not doing that, please. We're not doing that. What? This is a school, for Christ's sake, for crying out loud. This is a school. If you want to, you can go elsewhere and do that. They have that do for you, fine. But us, we don't do that. What we just do in here, we take you as we accommodate you as a student, and we have that college thing, and like if it's an online course you want to do, fine. It's still gonna be on a video call, like as if it's in a classroom. We're all together. So the idea of you, please, because I don't respond. You all know that even. So in order that we ship everywhere, have that in mind, we ship everywhere worldwide. So thank you.